How to add sign language interpreters to Zoom. In September 2022, Zoom released a new update for sign language interpretation. Now it is possible to assign sign language interpreters to your Zoom meetings and webinars. Previously, Zoom had language interpretation option. Now it has both language and sign interpretation options. In order to enable sign language interpreters, first update your Zoom to the latest version. Sign into your Zoom account on Zoom website, via web browser. Go to Settings and enable sign language interpretation. Also make it default so that it becomes readily available at any meeting you will schedule in the future. You can invite sign language interpreters to your Zoom meeting when you schedule an online event, or simply assign an interpreter to sign after the meeting starts. It is possible to assign multiple sign language interpreters during the same Zoom meeting. A signed interpreter will appear in a pop-up window, and will be visible to everyone watching. Previously, people with hard of hearing had to pin sign language interpreter on their Zoom window. No need to do it now. Zoom shows sign language on a separate, pop-up window. Please bear in mind that Zoom does not provide interpreters. We will be more than happy to provide you with interpreters for American Sign Language, British Sign Language, International Sign Language, Turkish Sign Language and many other sign languages available in our roster. Also please understand that every country has their unique sign language. American Sign Language is not the same as British Sign Language. Colombian Sign is different than Spanish or Mexican Sign. International Sign Language has been developed in the recent years. It helps in several scenarios but has its limitations, and also very few interpreters are certified for International Sign Language. You can add multiple sign languages and sign language interpreters for the same Zoom meeting. Contact our office for further details and professional support. Also contact us for live streaming and recording Zoom meetings. Here is our YouTube tutorial showing how to enable sign language feature, make it a default option for all future meetings and then assign interpreters on a Zoom meeting. Important note, we recommend assigning interpreters when scheduling a webinar. Do not wait until the webinar starts because it will be too late. Zoom webinars do not have a waiting room or lobby. It won't look professional to have the audience in the webinar and not to have interpreters already assigned. Click here to read the official release note from Zoom.